Hey my loves, today we are going to be talking about this glutathione vitamin C face cream, absolute whitening. This face cream is legit going to lighten your face in 2 weeks. We are going to be reviewing it. I'm going to be telling you the ingredients list in depthly. I'm also going to be telling you how to use this face cream, how not to use this face cream, who is supposed to use this face cream, and who should never consider using this face cream. If you have used this face cream before, do us a favor and leave your experience with this particular face cream in the comment section, because I have used it before in the past and I'm also going to be sharing my personal experience with this particular face cream. A lot of people have issues with this face cream for so many reasons, which we are going to be talking about in today's video. You know how we do our reviews, we go in depth. So that being said, let's get into today's video. Thank you for clicking today's one. I'm super excited to see you today. So yes, the name of the cream, as I already said, is Glutathione Vitamin C Face Cream. And it says on the body, absolute whitening. It says it fades dark spots and it also evens skin tone. And I'm going to tell you for free that it does that in a very limited time, like very short time. It clears your skin, it brightens your skin, it clears hyperpigmentation, it helps with sun tanning. If your face is darker than your body, anything that has to do with sun, like anything that has to do with pigmentation on your skin, this particular face cream does it absolutely well. But if you don't use it well, you are going to have serious issues with this particular face cream, and that is why I'm making this video, because a beautiful subscriber asked that I review it, and that is why I'm talking about it. So if you two have products you want me to talk about, research and talk about, also drop it in the comment section. I'm going to be reading and I'm going to be attending to your requests. Okay, so now we are going to be starting with the ingredients. If you know me, I love to talk about ingredients list, because that is the foundation of every product, every good product and every bad product. It is from the ingredients list you are going to know if you should run or stay, use or buy. So now this particular face cream has glycerin, okay, it has glutathione, it has alpha abutin, it has vitamin C, it has kojic acid, it has something called cetanol, which is an emulsifier, it has hydrogenated jojoba oil, which is a form of oil like jojoba oil, right, which is good for the skin, as we know. It also has a type of peptide called peptide 3. So it has peptides in it, and this particular type of peptide is very good, like it's super effective when it comes to helping you with premature aging. So it helps you with fine lines, it helps you with wrinkles, it helps to give your face that suppleness. Do you understand? So which also makes this cream good for aged skin. So it is going to also give you that anti-aging benefits. It has hydrolyzed soya protein, which is very good for your skin. It has tocopherol, which is vitamin E. It has something called despantenol, which is pantenol, which is pro vitamin B5. Now, pro vitamin B5 is a super duper skin moisturizer. You know, it has a lot of benefits for your skin, which includes moisturizing, repairing your skin barrier. It's just generally good for your skin. And then lastly, it has sodium hyaluronate, which is hyaluronic acid that we all know for hydration, skin barrier, healing and protection, and all of those things. So this is the collection, basic collection of all the ingredients that it has. So basically, when it comes down to the lightening ingredients that this particular face cream has, it has glutathione, it has vitamin C, it has alpha abutin, it has kojic acid. It has 4. So this has 4 in combination: brightening stroke lightening. So glutathione is lightening, vitamin C is brightening, antioxidant. Glutathione is also an antioxidant. These are all antioxidants. They all have antioxidant properties in one way or the other. Do you understand? But vitamin C is like the main antioxidant. So glutathione basically lightening, kojic acid lightening, alpha abutin lightening. So I would say this face cream has 3 strong active lightening ingredients and also one strong antioxidant stroke skin brightener, which is vitamin C, which is a very good combination. And these are safe lightening, safe brightening skin ingredients for your skin. But irrespective of the safe ingredients that this particular face cream contains, a whole lot of people that have used this particular face cream had issues with it, like they had skin reactions with it, like after using it. So basically, a lot of people's experience, which is the main reason for this video, a lot of people's experience with this face cream is that they are going to start using it in a week plus 2 weeks. Your skin is going to be shining, your skin is going to be smooth. If your face was darker, your face is going to be supple, your face is going to, be bright, fair, and all of those things, and you are going to be rejoicing. But when it starts getting to the 3rd week, entering the 4th week, you are going to start getting skin reactions. A lot of people get sunburn, a lot of people get white patches, a lot of people get skin discolorations, whereby some parts of your face are going to start getting darker, like your lips, your nose, your eye areas. You're just going to start noticing a lot of discolorations on your face. Do you understand? So these are the issues people have with this particular face cream, which I'm going to tell you how to tackle. Personally, when I use this face cream, I had sunburn. When somebody asked me to review this particular face cream, it just took me back, because I've not talked about the face cream because I have forgotten about it. I used it way back when it came out newly. I bought it and I used it. It was nice on my face. But later on, I discovered that I was having sunburn. Anytime I entered the sun, my face would just be pink or red, whatever color it used to turn then. So I just had to discontinue use. Then I gave it to somebody. Look at the irony. Then I gave it to somebody. She used it and nothing happened to her skin. Now I'm going to tell you why nothing happened to her skin. Then from there, I'm now going to answer you, okay, because the answer now is like in this example I want to talk about. Now, the person I gave this face cream to was a very fair person. She's very fair. You know when someone is fair, like this whitish undertone fairness, that was her complexion. She was very fair at the point. Do you understand? That is number one. Number two, she's someone that is not so cream crazy. She's not someone that's religious with skincare, do my skincare in the morning, do my skincare in the night. So she was using the face cream sparingly. She's someone that uses her skincare product, like her complexion is not based on cream. Do you get? So she was just using it like very small. She just takes small and apply on her face, and that's it. She might not even remember to use her face cream in the next 2 days. She'll just bathe and go, or use any on baby cream or baby oil during other days. So this is how she used this face. She used that face cream for months. Do you understand? It didn't cause her sunburn. It didn't cause her any single thing. And me, I was surprised. But even at that point, I did still realize the mistake that I made. Now, mistake number one that people make is that I see a lot of people that are buying these face creams. They are caramel skin. Not their fault, okay, because when you look at the ingredients, you feel like you can use it. Maybe you have suntan, you just want to use it to clear suntan, then you go back to your normal face cream and all of those things. But I feel from my own personal experience that this particular face cream works for very fair people. If you're a very fair person, let's say my complexion now, because at the point I was telling you, I didn't have this very fair face that I have now. If I use it now, I might not get any reaction. Do you understand? But if you are not a very fair person, if you are caramel skin, avoid this face cream. Avoid it. Don't near it. This face cream works for very fair people. Aside from my own personal experience that I just gave you now, I've also seen so many people that say, oh, I use this face cream and it works, but I'm very fair. That's always the catch, but I'm very fair. So this face cream works for people that are very fair skinned. All right. Now, the second thing is that this face cream is not a face cream you use every day. Whether you are using it as a treatment, whether you are using it as your normal face cream, you should not use this face cream every single day. This is a face cream that you should use like 2 times, max 3 times a week. 3 times a week is you are standing on a treadmill. You have to be very careful and all of those things. 2 times is okay to use this face cream. As someone that is not very fair, so you are going to use it and get the benefit that comes with it without having any side effect on your skin. Number three, if you are using it, use very little quantity of it. Use it very, very little. Just dip your hand, just put your hand in the cream. That first drop or whatever quantity that comes to your hand, just use it and apply on your face. Number four, if you are going to use this face cream, make sure you are not using any other thing that is lightening, that is brightening on your skin. At the point you are using this face cream, let this face cream be the only brightening thing in your routine at the point. Because one thing I am noticing from this particular formulation, probably why it reacts on people with a darker shade, is that these four ingredients now that I just mentioned, it is possible that it has them in high concentration. Because what happens in some very good expensive, because this face cream is not cheap, it is not cheap. The cheapest you can get this face cream is 15k. Normally it is like 19k, 18k, depending on where you are buying. Do you understand? So it has these safe skin lightening ingredients in unsafe quantities. Does that make sense? It contains safe lightening skin ingredients in an unsafe quantity. So that is why it reacts on your skin, or a lot of people get the reactions they get from this particular face cream. Now, the number five tip that I'm going to give to you is that don't use it on your bare face. If you are going to use this face cream, use it alongside a ceramide face serum. Use a ceramide face serum with it. Do you understand? Something that is going to help to protect your skin barrier, or something that is also going to act as what do they call it? Something that's just going to act as a base. Yes, that's the word I was looking for. Something that is going to act as a base on your skin before you apply the face cream. If you get this face cream and follow the rules I have said in this video, you are not going to have any issues with this particular face cream. So even if you are someone that is not very fair and you want a face cream that you know sure that this face cream will work, you can follow these rules. Number one, make sure, if you are not a very fair person, don't even try 3 times. Use it 2 times. Use it 2 times in a week, okay? And follow the other rules. Let me not repeat myself. You can click back and remember. Okay? So use it the way I have explained, and you are not going to have any issues with this particular face cream. So is this a bad face cream? I hear a lot of people say, oh, maybe this face cream has steroids, maybe it has mercury, maybe it has hydroquinone. I will not come out here now and say it has or it does not have, because I'm not the manufacturer and I don't know them. Do you understand? But what I would say is that I personally feel that this particular product has these ingredients that it contains in an unsafe quantity, because the reactions that people have is not, they are not peculiar to maybe products that have mercury, products that have steroids and hydroquinone in excess. No, you can use vitamin C and it's going to give you discoloration, it's going to give you sunburn. I've used a vitamin C face cream before that gave me sunburn. Do you understand? So vitamin C can give you sunburn, glutathione, kojic acid. Now imagine 4 of them in one formulation. So come on. Yes, it might not have any harsh hidden ingredients in it, but the point is that it is probably it probably has some or all of these ingredients in high percentages, just so it can work. So this is a sharp result face cream. Okay, so when you buy a sharp results product, you unsharp it by using it in little quantities and limited days. Yeah, that's how to use it. So I hope I've answered all your questions, and I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are seeing me for the first time. Thank you. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell us if you have used this face cream and if these tips were helpful to you if you are considering buying this particular face cream. And also, if you need one-on-one consultation with me, like you want to talk with me one-on-one, so I will help you to either build your skincare routine, rearrange your skincare routine, help you with any skin conditions you are having, recommend what's going to work exactly for your skin. Check the description box. You're going to see my WhatsApp number. Send me a WhatsApp message. I'm going to be waiting for you on WhatsApp, and I'm also going to see you on any of these videos right here. Let's continue our beautiful skincare conversations. Thank you.